according to his purpose. With your two hands lifted, the sound of your hand, it will end in praise. It will end in laughter. It will end in joy. It will end in celebration. It will end in congratulation. Whether you have faith or you do not have faith, the sound of your hand, let it begin to die. I know how it will end. I know how it will end. It will end in a church thanksgiving. It will end in a baby celebration. It will end in a marital consummation. I know how it will end. They will come looking for you. They will put the crown on your head. I know how it will end. While you are celebrating another one will come. I know how it will end. I know how it will end. It will end with tears of joy. I know how it will end. Uncommon celebration in your father's house. I know how it will end. Clean bill of health. Clean bill of health. Clean bill of health. I know how it will end. Cancer was no longer sin. Tumor was no longer sin. Organ failure reversed. Infirmity reversed. Heart failure reversed. I know how it will end. Let it become your evidence. Right now. Right now.